What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook salmon head sinigang. Alright, let's get started, and please don't forget to have fun in the kitchen. Alright, first thing that we need to do, we're going to bring this pot into a boil. This cooking salmon head sinigang is very easy to do. We're just waiting for our pot to boil, and after that we are going to cook the ingredients one by one. We can actually put the tomatoes and the ginger in now. We can now put the ginger and the tomatoes. There you go. And we're gonna put onions. We're gonna put a little patis. Alright, now we're going to cover the pot again and wait for it to boil. I also forgot to put a little bit of ground black pepper. And now we're going to add our sinigang mix. Now we're going to put the salmon head. Right. We're going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, now we're going to add the other vegetables. We're now going to put the radish in. The okra. And the eggplant. Let's cook the remaining veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we're going to add the salmon meat. Alright guys, we're now going to put the salmon meat next. We're now going to put the bok choy in. Alright guys, we're almost done with our salmon head sinigang. Let me just try the soup. Asim sarap. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get updated with my latest videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Alright, I'm so excited. That's the salmon head right there. That's the eyeball. That's the salmon eyeball.
Ja, ik heb even een dame. Right? Is er dan?
Ja.